Hello. Okay. Hello and welcome everybody. I hope I'm clearly audible, visible to you. Okay, this session has been recorded, especially for the people, those who could not attend online or due to any college activities, you are not available, offline session as well. So this is the recording is being shared with you. I request all of you to watch the entire lecture. Also, please ensure to practice because tomorrow morning, whatever session we're going to have, this topic is critically important for that. Then only we can proceed. Okay. So what is the task for the day? Our task of the day, we are learning about user interactive programming. What is the task? We need to understand how can we write programs which are user interactive. What do I mean it by user interactive programming? User interactive programming means till now, whenever we wrote programs, we always wrote programs where we were showing some output, some display to the end user as the output. I repeat, till now, whatever we have write programs where we were showing some output to the end user, but we were not taking data from the end user. We were not asking user, enter your name, enter your age. Those kind of programs we never wrote, where user can interact with our programs. Am I right? Making sense? So today we need to understand and learn how can I create our programs in such a way that I can ask end user to enter a particular data. User enters the data, I'll store it, and then I'll further process it during my program execution. I hope all of you are pretty much clear. User interactive programming is something where I'll ask user to enter some data based on my instructions. Say, enter your age, enter your name. Are you getting my point? And user will enter the data. I'll process the data and continue with the program execution. I hope you are pretty much clear. Okay, let's get started. So, in order to do so, there are two new things are going to come in our usual programs, which I'll write it in red color, and in detail we'll discuss when we move towards a topic called packages in Java. A topic called packages in Java. When we learn about it, that time you'll understand the detailed meaning of something which I'm going to write in red colors. Let's get started. So our first user interactive program, what is going to happen? Where I'm asking user to give some basic details. Say name, age, salary, and gender. That's all. Okay. Now let me help you with that. Say for example, I'm asking user to enter your name. After this, I expect the control to stop it here unless user enter the data. I mean, this message will be displayed on the console. After displaying the message, it should wait for the user to enter some data. Say user has entered some data, say Amit. User has entered some data, Amit. After entering Amit, I'm expecting user would press the enter key. This is the symbol for the enter key I'll be using. Okay. Say for example, I have asked enter your name. User is given name as Amit and press the enter key. After this, I'll ask one more data. Say enter your age. Right? Then I'm expecting user to enter some data which is of integer type. So user is given 21 as the age. After giving the age, he or she again press the enter key. Done. Then I'll ask the next information. What? Enter your salary. And say user gives some data. Consider 25,000 rupees. Am I clear? Again, user will press the enter key. Am I clear? Everybody? Now, after this last, what I'm asking is enter your gender. Say gender. I'm expecting only two possible combinations, male or female. Okay. For male, I'm expecting M. For female, I'll be expecting F. And user will enter the. That's all. Agree? Now, in my program, I have to accommodate these data. But if you observe, there are different type of data are there. For example, if you see this data, this is the data which is a combination of alphabets. Agree? Which is nothing but in Java, we'll say it's a perfect string type of data. And if you see this one, This is a number which does not have a decimal. So default data type will be applicable as integer. If you see a number which has a decimal part in it, then default data type applicable is perfect, double. And if you see single one character is there, only one character within the pair of single quotes, character data. Am I right? Different type of input is there. If different type of input is there, different way to handle the different type of data. I hope you are understanding. If I am asking user to enter some data, is it there that user will always enter this type of data, only string data, only integer data? No, right? If different type of data is there, that means if I'm asking name, bunch of characters will be there, nothing but a string. If I'm asking age, an integer number. If I'm asking salary, a double number. If I'm asking gender, character value is there. Different type of data. So different type of ways are there to get the data also. Are you getting my point, everybody? Okay, sir. What are the different ways to get different type of data? Let me list down all of that. Okay, let me start. I request all of you to make a note of it, what I'm gonna write now. Pay attention. First, say I'm saying string. If a string is there, there are two ways to get the string data as an input from the end user. Let me help you. First will be next. There is a method called next, or one more way is there called next line. To get the string data, I have two options. One next, another one is next line. Sir, what is the difference between them? We'll discuss. Have patience. Okay. So to get the string, I have two options, next or next line. Okay, sir. How about other type of data, say integer, say byte, short, long, say float, say double, say boolean, say character. If different type of data is there, different ways are there, different methods are there. Let me help you with all of them. If you want integer data, you will use next int. If you observe, everything is in lowercase except I. I is in uppercase, here L is in uppercase. Agree? Okay, sir. Byte. Next byte. Short. Next short. Then long. Next long. Float. Next float. Double. Next double. I hope you are paying attention. Everywhere different words are being added together. Uppercase, camel case convention. Hope you remember. Boolean. Next boolean. If this way continues, so char will be obviously next. No, this is where the twist. It is not next char. It is rather next dot char at 0. Are you getting my point? Char at 0 will be the value. This is how you need to take. Sir, why like this next dot char at 0? Wait for a few days. Let me explain you the concept of strings in Java. When we discuss about strings in Java, that time the definition, the meaning, the actual working process of char at method we will discuss. As of now, for time being, we have to understand. So these are the ways to get the specific type of data. Am I clear? Making sense to each one of you? If your data is a string, two options are there, either next or next line. Okay. If your data is of int type, next int, where I mark down everywhere this I is capital. If your data is byte, next byte. If your data is short, next short. If your data is long, next long. If your data is float, next float. If your data is double, next double. If your data is boolean, next boolean. If your data is char, very careful, the most important, next dot char at 0. That is what it is. Are you with me? And let me tell you the difference between next and next line. Okay, now pay attention. Sir, if you want one word as the input, one word as the input. One word means, say for example, I'm asking enter your name. If you are giving Amit, one word is there. Then next is the recommended. Am I clear? But if you want to read entire line, read entire line. What does it mean, entire line? Say, for example, Amit Kumar Reddy. Now, don't you think multiple words are there in the name? And it is one person name is also there. Consider one person name is called Amit Kumar Reddy. In that case, if I use next method, only this much portion will be used. Are you getting my point? If I call the next method, only Amit will be read. First part before the space. No, I want the entire name to be read. Then boss, you have to go for next line method. Am I clear? If you want to read one word, next. If you want to read the entire line, next line. Simple. Easy to understand. Okay. For a string, these two methods are there. If you want only one word, next. If you want entire line with spaces, then next line. For remaining, everything is clear. For char, next dot char at 0. Quickly make a note of this much. We'll proceed further with the program. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll start wiping the board. If not done, you can pause the video and make a note of it. Let's get started. Okay, sir, let's get started. Now I'm writing a program where I'll be instructing user to give data. Am I clear? Let's get started. I'll write a class. User interactive demo. User interactive demo. And obviously I'll be writing public static void main string array of args, opening the main method, right? Now, first thing, as part of my output screen, what do I want? As part of my output screen, first thing I want, what? Enter your name. This is what the first thing I want to be displayed on the screen. Am I right? Now pay attention. How am I going to do it? I just need to print a text called enter your name equal to. That's all now. So in order to print, what do I use there? Nothing much. Can you please help me? Fatafat. System.out.println. I'm using print, not println. I'll tell you reason also. System.out.print. I am saying enter your name space equal to space double quotes closing. Done. Am I clear? Okay, sir. Now whatever name has been given, enter your name. So once this has been printed on the console, since I'm using print method, not the println, cursor would be somewhere blinking here. Am I right? Agree? And say user has given a data. Consider user has given Amit as the data. Okay? Or let me write down the Amit Kumar entirely. Say I wrote Amit Kumar. Amit Kumar is the name of the person. Agree? Now pay attention. If Amit Kumar is the name of the person, whatever data has been given over here, right after this, user will strike the enter key. Agree? User will strike the enter key. Enter your name equal to Amit Kumar and enter key has been pressed. Done. Now next what will happen, guys? Focus, very important. Now that data whatever is coming, what? Name Amit Kumar, written in black color. This is given by end user. I have to hold that in my program. Agree? For this, there is a very important line I'm using. For first time we are learning it, and make sure whenever we are taking the data from the end user, this line should come along with one more line. I'll explain you that. What is the line? Carefully observe. Scanner KB is equal to new of scanner system dot in. As it is, it should be used. If this line, if you directly write it, it will not work. It may generate error. To avoid that, you have to write one more line above the class. This is the first time I'm writing anything above the class. That is import java.util.scanner scanner. Are you with me? This is the line. This is the scanner is the object which is required to take the data from the console. Agree? Okay, sir. But to make use of scanner in my class, this line is mandatory. What? Import space java dot util dot scanner s is capital. Scanner s is capital. Scanner s is capital. That means scanner is a perfect class. Am I clear? This much is done, sir. Now the point is, user has entered which type of data, sir? A string type of data, where space is also there, means multiple words are there, right? If you need to read the multiple words, which method? Next or next line? Perfect. Next line should be used. So what will I say? I will say KB. This is the reference I have to be making using of it. KB dot, for every method, whatever I have wrote, for all different type of data, I'll be saying KB dot. KB dot next line, which will read the entire line of data. Am I clear? Okay, sir. This data I'm saying assign into where? Another variable called string name. Are you with me? Okay, sir. Fine. After this, what is the next line I'm saying? I'll write down the short form SOP. I hope you understand system.out.print is there. Then I'm saying, what is the next thing I want? Enter your age equal to double quotes closing. Done. So what will happen? This message will be printed on the screen, right? Let me write down that message. What is that? Enter your age equal to. Am I right? Enter your age equal to. Done. After this, it is waiting for user to give some data. This time user is giving, say, 21 as the data, and after giving the data, user is pressing enter key. Agree? As soon as enter key has been pressed, data I have to be reading with the help of KB dot. Which type of data? 21. Perfect. Integer. So I'll say next int, and this data should be stored in where? It should be stored in another variable called integer variable called age. Am I clear? Int age equal to KB dot next int. Agree? Done, sir. Now next, what is the data? Now I'm trying to read another type of data, that is SOP of enter your salary. Done. So this much message also should be printed on the console screen. Am I right? So let me write down what? Enter your salary. Now cursor is waiting. What do I do, sir? I need to read the salary. Salary is double type of data. KB dot next double, and this should be assigned to another variable of double type called salary. I hope till here you are comfortable. Okay, sir. Then whatever data has been given as part of salary, what is the data we have taken? 25,000. And after this, enter key would be strike. Perfect. Everybody clear? Good. Now pay attention. Next, earlier I have taken what? Name. Then I have taken what? Age. Then I have taken salary. Now I need gender. Perfect. So what do I say, sir? SOP of system.out.println print of enter your gender equal to. Done. This message should be printed over there. Am I right? Let me help you with that. Enter your gender equal to. Now pay attention. User will be entering a gender, either M or F. Am I right? So say user has entered M. After that, entering M, enter key would have been strike. Done. Okay, sir. So to get the character data, I'll be saying, I hope you remember the method. Next of dot char at of 0. This value I'll be storing into another variable which is of type character, say gender. Am I right? Clear? Okay, sir. I have taken all the data. Now I just need to print the message. Oh, KB.next has gone down. Wait a minute. Let me correct it. Now I just need to say what? KB dot next of char at 0. Am I right? This is what the last thing. Now I just need to show all the things onto the console. For that, I'm writing one more SOP here, although I was supposed to write down, but there is no space. Hope you understand. What is that SOP? I'll write it here. Say SOP of your name equal to plus. What is the variable I have taken to store the name? Name. Am I right? So I'll say what? Variable name is name. Only variable name I'm writing into the red color. I hope you understand. Then I'll say plus. Agree? Then I will say your age, comma, space, your age equal to. Am I right? Then I will say what? Next. Plus, I'll give the age value with the help of a variable called age. This is the variable age. Agree? Okay, sir. Now, after printing age value, I will say plus double quotes, comma, space. Now I need to print salary part. I will say your salary is equal to plus. What is the variable to store the salary I have taken? Salary. Am I right? So I'll say salary, then plus. Last thing which I need to show is, what is that? Gender. Your gender equal to double quotes plus. For gender, I have taken another variable called character gender. So I'll simply say gender. After this, I'll close the system.println. I'll close the main method. I'll close the class as well. Let me list down everything and re-explain you every single thing about it. Okay. Now let me explain you everything. Okay. Okay. And this is the part of the program. This is not even part of the program. This is our execution screen. Agree, sir. Now at the outcome, at the output screen, this one message needs to be printed. Let me print down that as well. Your name is equal to, what is the value of the name? Amit Kumar. I'll use the red color for that. Amit Kumar. Then after printing Amit Kumar, one comma is there. Okay. Comma and a space. Comma, space. Then you are saying your age equal to. I will say your age equal to. What is the value of the age, sir? Age you have given 21. I will simply say 21. Then you are asking what? Next is what? Your salary. I will say your salary equal to. Whether everywhere name is also equal to, age everywhere. Perfect. Equal to. What is the salary we have taken? 25,000. I will say 25,000. Done. After this, salary equal to salary. Then I said one comma should be here. I missed it. My bad. Then I will say comma and your gender. Your gender equal to. Whatever is the gender given. What is the value of the gender we have taken, sir? M. I will say M. Done. After this, nothing else is there. Story over. So can I say this is the actual outcome of my screen? This is your computer screen. I hope everything is crystal clear now. Agree? Now let me re-explain every single scenario. Pay attention. Very, very important. Very important. Pay attention. Every execution will explain line by line. Pay attention. Very, very important, guys. Line by line, I'll explain. Listen. Whenever program execution started, JVM will be invoked and JVM would be looking for the main method. This we know very well. First line. What is that? Enter your name. This much portion has been printed. Agree? This line has been printed. After that, one line is there. This line working, we are not really sure, but I can tell you one thing. A new scanner object is being created. What is this new? What is scanner? What is system.in? Everything I'll explain. let us understand object orientation. How does the object work in Java? Then you will be able to understand this particular line. But sir, why are you writing this line? Because scanner is something not known to the compiler. Then I have to tell where is the exact location. For this, I import statement is written. To understand the import statement, we have to wait till the packages chapter. For this line, object orientation. For this line, packages. Wait for a few days. We'll definitely discuss about it. Everything will be clear to you, dot to dot. Sure. Now, this line has created one scanner object. Fine. After that, what are you telling? Say these two lines are done. I'm saying KB dot next line. Next line is a method meant to read the entire line. Am I right? This is the entire line I'll be reading with the help of the KB dot next line. Whatever data you have read, that will come over here. What is the data coming, sir? The data is coming as what you gave, Amit Kumar. So I will say Amit Kumar has been coming as part of the input, as the string data. This string data will be given as an input to the variable called name. Am I clear? Yes, sir. Now name has what value? Amit Kumar. Now, sir, next line, if I move, what are you asking me? What are you asking to the end user? You are asking enter your age. Can I say this particular line I'm asking? Yes, sir. Then user has entered 21 as the age. Agree? User has entered 21 as the age. This 21 is an integer type of data. Am I clear? This 21 data will be taken as an input and given to the age variable, which is of type integer. Am I clear? Okay, sir. Then you are asking what? Enter your salary. So don't you think this message also will be printed somewhere here? Done. And pay attention. Whatever message has been printed, after this, what are you telling? After this, you are telling KB dot next double. That means double type of value I'm supposed to read. Do you think this is a double type of value which is having a decimal? Yes. A number which has a decimal by default, double value. I'm saying next double. Because of this, what is the value? 25,000 paisa. Actually, comma will not be there, right? This will be stored inside the another variable called salary. Done. Then comes enter your gender. Let me print the enter your gender as well. This much has been printed, sir. Enter your gender. User has given what value? User has given M as the value, which is character type of data. So in order to read the character, a different type of method is there. What is that, sir? Next dot caret 0. That gives me the data of the gender, M. This M will be given as an input to the another variable called gender. Till here clear? Name has Amit Kumar. Age has 21. Salary has 25,000. Gender has M. Done? Yes, sir. Gender will be as character format. This is double format. This is integer format. This is string format. Done? Okay. Now I need to print all of them. What I'm saying? Your name equal to. So can I say your name equal to whatever was the value, Amit Kumar, as part of name that I'm printing here. Can you see this? Everybody? Okay, sir. Then you are telling comma your age equal to, comma your age equal to whatever age has given, 21. Where is that? Here, 21. This 21 is given as an input to the age variable. Am I right? This age variable value I'm trying to print over here. So what is the variable age value? This is the variable age value. Then comma your salary equal to salary. What was the given value? 25,000 to the variable salary. I am printing the variable salary value. Agree? Okay, sir. Salary also has been printed. Then you are telling what? Comma your gender has been printed here, sir. What is the gender value has been given? Pay attention. Gender value has been given M to a variable called gender. And I'm printing the variable gender value. That is nothing but M. After this, control will step out and goes back to JVM. Am I clear? I hope every single step, entire program is absolutely clear to you. If yes, quickly make a note of it. I'll give you 2 minutes of time, then I'll share the screen and start typing the same program. Let's get started. If you want, you can pause the video. Okay, let me wipe the screen. You can pause the video and continue. I'll be sharing the screen with you guys. Shall we start? Okay. Let me share the screen with you. I hope the screen is visible to all of you guys. Now let's get started with the programming. What is that? Class user interactive programming demo. Sorry. I have opened the class, then I'll write our favorite method, public static void main string array of args. Once this is done, then I will say what? First system.out.print of enter your name equal to. Then I need the scanner object. So I'll say scanner kb is equal to new of scanner. Then I will say system dot in, sorry, not out, in. Then to make this line work, I have to write one more line at the top of the class. What is that? Import java dot util dot scanner. If you observe, apart from scanner, in this entire line, nothing is in uppercase. Over here also, scanner is in uppercase. Hope you understand. Scanner as well as system, both are in uppercase. Okay, sir. After this, what am I saying? I said string name is equal to kb dot next or next line. Next line. I need to read the entire line. Okay, sir. Then I said, since I've got the name, let me ask you what? Let me ask your age. System.out.print of enter your age is equal to. Then I will say what? Integer age is equal to kb dot next int. Done, sir. Then I'll be asking what? Your salary. System dot out dot print of enter your salary. Okay, sir. Salary is equal to. Okay, sir. Salary. I'll take a double variable. Double salary is equal to kb dot next double of. Then next I'm asking your gender. System.out.print of enter your gender. Then I will say gender. For that I'll take a character variable. Gender is equal to kb dot, very important, kb dot next dot char at a capital of 0. Then I'll enter it. Now whatever I have got the data from the end user, all that data I have to show to the console. So I will say system.out.print of, sorry, my bad, I'll say your name equal to, what is that? Plus name. Then I will say what? Comma space your age equal to plus age. Then I will say comma space. Then I'm asking what? I'm displaying what? Your salary is equal to. Then I say double quotes plus salary plus double quotes comma space your gender is equal to, then plus gender. Let me break down into bits and pieces. Now let me explain it. Opening double quotes, closing double quotes, then a variable. Opening double quotes and closing double quotes plus a variable. Opening double quotes, closing double quotes plus variable. Opening double quotes, closing double quotes plus variable. Now if you see, your name equal to the value of the name, your age equal to value of the age, your salary is equal to value of the salary. Am I right? Okay, sir. Then after that, your gender is equal to gender value. Done, sir. Can I say we have done so far? This closing is missing now. Okay, done. Now what do I need to do? I just need to save the code. .java. Oops, sorry. Okay, sir. Let me start the console and open into the CMD. Let me increase the font size of the CMD a bit. Okay, sir, done. Let me clear the screen. Java C, user interactive demo dot Java. Okay, I guess the file has saved with something issue. Wait a minute, let me delete that. User interactive demo. Let me delete that completely. And if I come here, it will ask me, do you want to keep this in Italy? Yes. Then I will say, save this. I'll change the name itself, say demo one. It's okay. Avoid the confusion. Oops. Say demo one, Alt F8. I will simply say demo one dot Java. Story over. Now let me compile the screen. Java C, demo one dot Java, demo one dot Java, Java, user interactive demo one. Hit enter. Oh, our as usual problem set class path equal to done. Oops, sorry. Let me execute. Enter your name. See, unless I enter the name, it is not proceeding ahead. It is waiting for me to give the name. Say I give the name Amit Kumar Reddy. Enter. Enter your age. Say 21. Salary 25,000. .00 paisa. Then it is asking gender. I say M. Read. Enter your name. Your name is Amit Reddy. Amit Kumar Reddy. Age is 21. Salary is 25,000. Then gender is coming as M only. Done. Everything is clear. But there is a small twist is there. Let me introduce the twist with respect to the next line. Rest everything we understood. Last one point is left over. There is a twist with respect to next line. So what I'm saying, this time I'm not asking enter your name. This time I'll ask enter your first name. Enter your first name. So I'll do what? I'll create, let me take this down. Wait a minute. Same thing, doesn't make any difference at all. Okay. Now the point, what I'm trying to explain is, I'm saying enter your first name. Okay. Then I'll take to another variable called F name, or let me give the proper name, first name. Then sir, I want another option where I'm asking enter your last name. I'll take it to another variable called last name. Now, if you observe, first time I'm asking enter your first name, then I'm asking enter your last name. Agree? So if you see that way, if I need to tell the name, enter your name equal to, I will say what? First name. Then plus, just to have a space between the names, first name and last name, I'll add this. And then I'm saying last name. But let's see what is the value come for the last name, because there is some twist, as I'm saying, there is some issue is there with respect to next line method. Let's see if I try to do so, what will happen. Let me execute. Compilation is done. Let me execute. It is asking first name. I'm giving only the name. First name, Amit only. Or say Amit Kumar. Amit Kumar is the full name I give. That is the first name. Family name, last name, Reddy is not given. The moment I hit enter, then it is asking Reddy. I hit enter, asking age. Then I hit enter, salary, 25,000. There is no issue at all. Everything is correct. M, gender. Perfect. Everything came correctly, guys. Okay. Now, let me change the sequence. This age, I take from here and I keep at the first position. I repeat, this time I'm asking the age as the first value. Agree? I'm asking the age as the first value. Then I'm asking what? First name. Then I'm asking last name. Then I'm asking salary. Then I'm asking gender. Let's get started. Let's see what's going to happen now. Ready? Okay. So let me recompile and execute. First time it is asking age. The moment I gave age as 21 and I hit enter, pay attention what is happening. Did you observe what is happening? This time it didn't even wait for me to give the value for the first name, and it has directly started asking last name. So my last name is, my user last name is Reddy. I gave it. Salary 25,000. 0 paise. Then gender is M. Now, if you see, his name is coming what? Only Reddy. Where is Amit Kumar? Because I could not even give the value of the first name. Reason, let's understand. Point is, at this moment, here, you would have given the value of an integer value, right? Age is what? Nothing but integer. Am I right? For this, let me show you the board. Okay, sir. Pay attention. Pay attention, guys. Very important. Shall I wipe this much portion? So that I can explain you better. Pay attention, simple. 5 minutes. That's it. I'm done with the entire discussion of the user interactive program. 5 minutes. That's all. Pay attention. First time I'm saying, enter your age equal to, say user has given some age value as 21. After giving the age value, I'm expecting user would have definitely strike the enter key. Done. Once user has entered and press the enter key, then I'm asking what? Enter your first name equal to. Ideally, if it is working fine, it should wait and it should ask me the first name value. Am I right? Amit Kumar. And after giving Amit Kumar, again I will press what? Enter. Then it should ask me what? Enter your last name equal to. Am I right? Then I should get an opportunity to give the Reddy as the last name and hit enter key. Agree? Am I right? Now, point. But point is, sir, it is not even giving me an opportunity to give the data for the first name. Why is it happening? That is what the twist with the next line. Next line is the only method which has this issue. Let me explain you what is the issue. Sir, if you see next or next line, both the methods meant to read which type of data? Next or next line, both the methods are meant to read string type of data. Hope you remember initially only I told. So next or next line, both the methods meant to read string type of data. Whereas next method, if I see only the next method, this method meant to read data unless there is a space. If a space comes, it will stop reading. Whereas next line, read the entire line of whatever characters are there, everything it will be reading as input. Agree? Okay, sir. But see, next its task is over. Read the first half of the word. Now, problem with respect to the next line is that what? It reads the entire data as an input. And this particular method is reading this. What is this? Enter. When you press the enter key, it reads enter also as an input. Because of which what happens? Let me help you. When you first time you said enter your age, I gave the age. This age value 21 is given as an input. Agree? And will be kept into a variable called age. That is what we have done so far. That's what about this plus symbol? Sorry, this enter symbol. This enter symbol is still there in the buffer. Buffer means input buffer is there, where all the data is being inserted from the keyboard, right? In the input buffer, that enter is there. And our hero, next line is so dumb. This enter, whatever enter is there, it feels like, oh, enter is also a data. So for next line, this particular enter is the data at this position. That is the reason it is not asking anything. Are you getting my point? That is the reason it is not letting us give the another value, because as per the next line, enter is the data for the first name. Am I making sense? Oh. Then sir, what to do? Then whenever you are having this issue, which issue just now I showed you, first name I was not able to give, in that case you have to call the next line once again to discard this enter. Sir, how? I didn't understand. Let me show you. Let's get started. Let me share the screen. Now pay attention. This is where I'm asking the enter your age. After giving the age, whatever age was there, 21, that has been kept inside this one, but enter key was still in the buffer. If I'm directly reading this way, then our next line method end up reading the enter as the data. So what I say, if this is the scenario, before reading the actual data, this is where I'm reading the first name, right? Before reading the actual data, just simply write kb dot next line. This will clean the enter from the input buffer. This will take out the enter, and we are not storing that. Fine, let's get started. Let me execute once again. I have saved it, compiled it, and let me execute. Enter your age, 21. This time, see, it is meeting. Agree? Because one enter, I have whatever enter was there in input buffer, that I have already flushed by calling kb.nextLine explicitly. Once again, I have called it. Now, next time when you see, this time it is waiting. I'm saying Amit Kumar as the input. Then see, last name anyway, it was working fine. This also works fine. Salary, some salary is given. Done. After giving the salary, I'm asking gender. Everything is perfectly fine now. I hope you're absolutely crystal clear with the things. Everybody clear? So funda is simple and straight, sir. User interactive programming, where I'm expecting user to give some data based on the instruction I'm giving. I repeat, I will be giving some instruction to the end user on the console. Based on the instructions, user is supposed to provide data to me. For this, different type of data, different type of methods are there. Say int. For integer data, I have next int. For byte data, I have next byte. For short data, I have next short. For long data, I have next long. For float, I have long float. For double, I have long next double. Sorry. For double, I have next double. For float, I have next float. For long, I have next float. Similarly, for boolean, I have next boolean. And for character, different method is there. What? Next dot char at 0. How about string? For string, two methods are there. Next and next line. If you read only next, data before the space only will be read. I'll show you the practical also of that. Don't worry. Then, if I use next line, it reads the entire line. But problem with next line, it end up treating enter also as part of the data. To remove that, I have to write kb.nextLine once again. Simple. Agree? I hope you understood. I'll show you the next part. Let's proceed. Let me show you what if rather than next line, I use next only. Say for example, over here, I'm using only next rather than the next line. And I'm removing this line as well. Check. Now, rather than the first name is being read as next, not the next line. In this case, if I give Amit Kumar, it will read only Amit. Let me show you. Okay, let me compile and execute. See, enter your age, 21. Automatically waiting. See, next method does not have any problem. Only next line is the method which read enter also as a data. Next method is not like that. So first name I give Amit Kumar, but this first method will read only the data before it ends the space. As soon as this space comes, it will stop reading. Let's check it. Okay, sir. See, here itself problem comes. Again, why problem is coming? Whatever enter you pressed, that is coming for the last name now, because there you have used next line. Agree? So what do I do? Here once again, write kb dot next line to remove that additional enter from the input buffer. Am I right? Okay. Let me remove it. Compile, execute, enter age. Sorry, 21. First name I give Amit Kumar, but I'm expecting next will read only Amit and ignore the Kumar part. Then last name say Reddy. Then hit enter, salary. Then comes gender. Now if you see Kumar is missing. Although I'm giving Kumar, but Kumar is not coming because of the next method. So can I say by now you have understood everything about the user interactive programming using scanner class. If you are writing scanner, ensure you write the import statement for the scanner, that is import java.util.scanner. Without fail, semicolon mandatory, don't miss it, both the places. That's all the things we have been learning. I request you to practice these programs and come to the next session. Today itself, ensure you practice and go to bed. Thank you very much. That's it, and end of the session. Tata, bye bye, namaskara. See you tomorrow morning. Bye bye.